Hey, what's up guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm really excited to share with you our March before and after photo contest. Our before and after photo contest will have 3 winners. Our grand prize winner will receive a $250 Detail King e-gift card. Our second place winner will receive a $150 Detail King e-gift card. And our third place winner will receive a $100 Detail King e-gift card. These gift cards have no minimum purchase, no expiration date, and can be used on anything on our online store. To enter our contest is simple. All you need to do is take 4 before and after photos of a vehicle that you're detailing using Detail King products. Edit those before and after photos in a collage and upload them to our contest page. Below your photo upload, there's a caption area where you can tell us what Detail King products you used. If you don't tell us what Detail King products you used, your submission will be disqualified. You must use Detail King products to be eligible to win this contest. After you've submitted your collage, you'll be sent to our post-submission page. There you'll find a link to your submission where you can share it to your social media channels and get as many votes as possible. Ask your friends, family, neighbors, dogs, cats, everybody to vote for you. The more votes you have, the better chance you have of winning. Our 3 submissions with the most votes will be sent to our independent judge, our corporate trainer, Jason McBride. He's our very first authorized licensee, and we feel he's the best suited to select the winner of this contest. He will assess your work, detailing skills, and the products you selected to make your cars look great again. For more information on our March before and after photo contest, be sure to read our full rules, frequently asked questions, and terms and conditions below. You'll find all information there. If you still have a question, give me a call at 724-325-0008. You have from March 1st to March 29th to submit your posts. Voting closes on March 30th. Best of luck to all our submissions, and we can't wait to see what you guys come up with. See you guys in the next one.